Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install the Countabout app on your mobile phone. This is an accounting app to help you track and manage your finances. So, to download it, firstly make sure your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, search for Countabout. Here, you can see the app Countabout. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet speed. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to use this app. And over here, enter your login credentials and enjoy the features of this application. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. Drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.